collection funds. Residents can attest that we are making every effort to collect refuse as efficiently as possible. We appreciate government's support. However, as we celebrate achievements in waste collection, the volume of waste generated sometimes overwhelms the council due to breakdowns. Let me take this opportunity to tell you that the Chitungwiza municipality is a complement of 6 refuse collecting trucks, and amongst the 6, only 3 of them are ideal to collect waste. The other 3 are tipper trucks which have overstayed their lifespan.